Hey, second graders. This week, our skill for the week is key details. Key details are important pieces of information in a text. Key details are found in the text and photos of a selection. Okay, so for this week, our shared read is Families Work. Okay, so first you need to listen to this story. If you have not already, you need to pause this video, go to Wonders, and listen to Families Work. Okay, after that, we need to go back and reread and find some key details in this story. Okay, and then we're going to fill out our graphic organizer. You can either draw this on a sheet of paper and submit it and submit a picture below, or you can do it in your to-do list, whatever works easier for you. Okay, so as I read and looked at the pictures on pages 70 and 71, so these first two pages, I understand that Ellen Young is a pediatrician. Her husband, Steve, is a firefighter, and they both work away from home. Okay, so one of our key details is Ellen and Steve Young have jobs. Okay, so in this first box, I'm going to write Ellen and Steve Young, have jobs. Okay, so I want you to turn to page 72 and 73, and I want you to find two more key details in this selection. Okay, remember, key details are important pieces of information in a text, and they're found in the words and in the pictures. Okay, and then submit a picture below. Have a good day, second grade.